MeghalayaPost.news. State Bank of India nongpoh branch mentaka singi kalpan long ya ke SBI Smart Agri Customer Meet kabadai kawai na kajing Ïakynduh lang nadu kinongrem kinong sangkam na jong ki officer sarkar baru ki he ke State Bank of India banekran halor kilat kilanti bandang kyntiew kinongrem lang baki kamrap ki kamreang kumbadai katkum kajung bamenta yakani ke Smart Agri Customer Meet lapan long harisai conference hall nongpoh hakabahakani ke singi lawan cumentaru ki he ke State Bank of India bakantup yu Ejaz Ahmad ubadai DGM BNO ka kong Serolin Khan District Agriculture Officer Kariboy, Pradip Kumar Bora, Professor ke Central Agricultural University, Dr. H. Talang, Senior Scientist ke ICAR, berkentup ki Officer na ke State Bank of India. Kathong ka bakmat jong kani ke SBI Smart Agri Customers kadaiban pensiluri kinongrem bakin rap katkum karukom rap ka juk start bamenta bakin la ban kyntiew kayo kakon baleng baki kamrap la ban penkladur ya kinongrep hakish nong kendong haba ajin kuran hakani ke sngi nadu Ejaz Ahmad ubadeu DGM BNO kumukongsan ka kong Serolin Khan District Agriculture Officer Kariboy Pradip Kumar Bora Professor ke Central Agricultural University baru Dr. H. Talang Senior Scientist ke ICAR kila ong ban kyntiew ka kamrap kamreang bat ya kayo kakon jong kinong ladon kam bandon ke jing trelang na baro kiliang hakani ke singi nakaliang ke SBI nongpoh branch kelas amru ya ke SHG sanction letters syakawai na kenhun SHG baka bank layarap ya ketiga kenhun bakin nang la ban kyntiew ka kamrap kamreang.
The northeastern region and Meghalaya in particular possesses immense agricultural potential. Our favorable climate, rich biodiversity, horticultural strength and growing spirit provide enormous opportunity for sustainable growth. The challenges before us is not only increasing production but improving productivity, reducing post-harvest losses, creating value chains and ensuring better market access to farmers. This transformation cannot be achieved by any single institution working alone. It requires a strong collaboration among financial institutions, government departments, research organizations, educational institutions and farming community. I am therefore delighted to see representatives from ICAR, Central Agricultural University and Department of Agriculture joining us today. Such partnerships are essential for creating a resilient and prosperous agricultural ecosystem. The State of India remains firmly committed to supporting this transformation through initiatives such as Kisan Credit Card, Agri Infrastructure Fund financing, financing for food processing units, farmer producers organization, dairies, fisheries, and other allied activities. SBI continue to play an important role in enabling rural development and agricultural growth. At the same time, we encourage farmers and agri-entrepreneurs to embrace digital banking and modern financial solutions, which we are providing.
Have been rightly pointed out in the keynote address by our chief guest that agriculture is the backbone of our country. Today at present, we are feeding 1.48 billion of the people in our country. Now to feed this much population, we have to be smart. We have to follow smart agriculture as farmers and as agri-entrepreneurs. So our office, we are doing research. Our main focus is on research. Second, we do demonstration, and third, we give training and capacity building. I hope all of farmers and FPO, FPCs have been invited, visiting our office for this forms, who are here with us. They have been a regular visitor in our office. So smart agriculture today, I'll just give in brief. See, today at present, especially in Meghalaya, we have a great opportunity and a privilege to do business in agriculture. Our chief guest has pointed out that agriculture today starts as an enterprise. When we say enterprise, it means we can do business through our agriculture. Some of the things think that some of the points that or the venture that we can take up, I would like to just name a few of them. Number one, when we say smart agriculture, the first and foremost thing that we need is quality planting materials. So at present in Meghalaya, we are having very less, quality nursery. But nursery or quality planting materials is one of the big business in fact. I happen to be a member of the Nursery Accreditation Committee for the Northeastern region. And then in this accreditation, we have been visiting nursery to nursery. And one of the owners of nursery here in Assam, he told us that his annual turnover was around 13 crores. So if our make your life what you do it is. Second, orchard management or vegetable growing.
Dengan kami di bawah kami di level entrepreneur, FPO, customer, DNM, di program di SBI nongpoh agak kuat ini mentah tadi kesabaran kesini pada lumlah kami celebrate SB Smart Every Customer Me. So kita hiba ke jelang Meghalaya joni baga nongrep kedai kebun long jong ke Meghalaya joni. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy, especially in Meghalaya where 70% and above they are farmers. They depend on farming. So they kata kami 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 pahai ini kami pahai long dan bokhan kami pahai kita cakap bahasa isu aku kata-kata. Kami ke Department of Agriculture, kedai ke Department Kebaiterai Cantang Kapi nongrep. Kami akan ke Department of Agriculture minta dilakukan South League Directorate kata ke Directorate of Agriculture, Directorate of Horticulture, Directorate of Research and Training, Directorate of Food Processing. Kita di Directorate. Di agriculture, midai produksi kebak, kadang kerai. Horticulture, ini berpisau, dia ikut. Dekat research and training pada kadang kilo kerja training, ijtip. Kadang research and training. Sementara ni kalau kita food processing, kalau tentang UI, bagi nongrep kita belum show kami nongrep belum syuang isu rep untuk kami kita kita kyntiew kalau kita agri entrepreneur kyntiew kita lakukan proses yang dimana jadi kami kami ada project di bawah so upai istilah proses bencana jam bencana wine terkadang ke Directorate of Food Processing kami harus support dan i baterai ibadai hapok ka Office of Horticulture ibadai processing dipunta dia ini program belum lang ya baru di ini nongrep di entrepreneur mendai bangsa papor mencuba ni kuah akan bela nama department jom ni berkentil ya di nongrep banong kimi nongrep tiba mendai show prepare mo haga sarkar mereka yang dalam jom kita kumbang ini menhaga si thoding dengan bakla one Union Finance Minister kata one inaugurate dia kata largest spice processing unit yang kita mampu berembang kepada kita di Eastern Republic FC ini kita akan kimat bertemu harus tahu kita Muslim Islam jadi nak jadi Islam kami yang yoi kata kita jadi nongrep kami yang kata jadi kuah epiru nongrep berdaya bangsa mencuba dari kyntiew kami si one department idan ke kami nak dalam ibu nak kok CAU nak kok ICAR dan ini tapi dalam kami lebih dikenal kepada research ini research ini nak kami ada dalam hidup ini kita share
the nationwide activity. We are conducting such programs all over India, from Jammu to Kerala, from Northeast to Gujarat. Everywhere we are conducting. We have already conducted more than 100 such programs in this fortnight. And our purpose is to connect with the farmers, tell them that we are here for them. We are here to develop the rural community. We are here to help them grow as agripreneurs, rural entrepreneurs, and we want them to become processor from producer, because they will be involved in processing activity. Overall upliftment will be there. Government is also supporting such activity, and we are also here to help them out. We are providing every type of facility, from term loan, cash credit, letter of credit, bank guarantees, even the products which are required for exporters, that are also covered. Every facility is there. Whatever the government schemes are there, we are also implementing them. Yeah, this type of program will be conducted down the year, so that the proper communication is given to all.
nongrep berkabang mengira penyerapan uplift ya kam rukom injeki kan kam nak tang haka thum katak kan ene bikin long kita ki nongon mi ya ki finish product kam nak tang haka bikin ju thum yuso dia no ande hedu bikin pun mi ki squash ki candy ne kidu ki minta ki banana khambol ka jingi onong ki kan dia kan dia ka jing long ini kan dia kalau mereka tahu bangin rich ka between kini nongrep jongi bakka bank dia bakka government ro kunjo marwa ini mesti government joni dan central level pun ki scheme nam tak nongrep kamde yata lama kira kini ni gom subsidy malbaro kadai ga jing balong no ka jing yarap maka central government maka ko apa ki farmers kin kio no kan kam no ko tang ka to ga old tradition of farming. Mereka ni kalau ini bab kin kam kio nak syakmat, bagi nongrep juni kin sedang nak ini scientific farming dulu. Bahkan aku kira tentang farming aku ada bagi nongki processor, begin produce, begin process ada pada nong. Ini ki program ini kita mental bagi mana kerja tu cakap customer. Nak bank lu, bank sekian. Tadi kita. Kami ni tu sini ki area kada dengan KCC. KCC loan kami lawan ayah Allah kada dia punya dia dengan kini kini jumpa kita 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 without any security area ketua kita hak por bagi dia itu mantap but niara pro hado por bakin dah di point ban ket indaki jeng nomor ket kita ki soal ki ni bagian itu kita ki mama tajuk dia boleh tak kata niran ki jeng niara kami ki SSG group kira kini members ni kile ki kam chuti ki bada kan ikitu niara kilo very lenient ki documentation ni kile ki dong kam bahe ki kop bon kan kilo very lenient ki documentation ni berkibrio lekin nam kim start kilo very lenient tu deki SSG group ila ai ma shi no poli ta bon ma ji asma ji beli ji SSG group menga finance ki ho ni haben monitor marbaya ke jinsio marbaya lo ben ha gitu kada bisa sampai ba am kon de bisa sampai kada sampai ba ini haben monitor every now and then kini ki meeting lo unde kam kan level lo every 3 months every 2 months kita ini customer bi dalam jadi agri bagi betul iki benefit maka government kata dia ke bank itu dan dia nak kata lagi syam ini lagi lama pakai melaban siu show dari don ke sini apne don ke mana udah kita ki compromise sejalan ini lah penyerap ini bagi lah kungka long yang sen peladu orang long ubah kamai dia kim nak kaman se ko full board ni kita kini compromise sejalan ini lah penyerap pun bagi dia orang yang farmers anda ya tanggali bagi ai ki ramlan anda kita ki counseling bagi ai ki ni kundu kan saya bi bagian kam senkio ya ka junior
MeghalayaPost.news